Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with kind of the part 2 of this one particular darling, quick and easy card making kit. Each page, I think there's 5 different little girls, so we are doing this little girl and this page. So go back, see the first one. These are just so cute. So, alright, let's get started. I found this background paper, which I love, and I decided I am going to do a top folding. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I've also pulled out another doily because they're just so cute. This kit has been a joy. I'm going to admit, some kits are kind of like, they require more than my brain wants to give to them. And also something like this, if you're needing to make like bulk cards for a little girl's birthday party, for a tea party, for, a baby shower, anything like that, do find what makes you happy first off. So I love these. I love all of this. I love the colors. I love the designs. It just makes me happy. And, use what will encourage you. So I got to slow down because, these doilies rip so easy. And these tape runners, I've shared many times. I'm very used to my Creative Memories tape runner, and it is out packed away in our new craft spot. So I am having to kind of use this one. This is the one I carry in my journaling bag. So yeah, I'm having to kind of get outside my comfort zone and be happy. So anyways, but what I was going to say is these have been so fast, happy, cute. I mean, really beautiful designs, beautiful, I don't know, craftsmanship, whatever you want to say. This one fits the bill, and I have loved every second of this one. I think I am not going to use that one, but I am going to use this one because I think this is so cute. So I'm going to use that. Hopefully going to use that. I think I want to use this one. I love that too. I think I'm going to pull that one out because I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet, but I'm just going to have those ready. I am going to use these leaves, and then what's left I will punch out, put in my little bag, wherever that bag is, of all the, whoops, and they're all falling out, of all the extras. Every one of these pages has tons left over. So I'm going to use this in my journaling, in my scrapbooking, and everything else. So these have turned out to be amazing kits, period, end of discussion. And just like here, you can see this little girl, they are all different. They are so sweet. And in our family, we have a brunette, we have a almost raven-haired brunette, and then blonde. And then we have a very light blonde, light, not light blonde, light brown. So anyways, just really sweet. So, all right, let's get going. Let's start building because that's all this is. Talk about build a bear. This is just build a card. The only things I have added to these kits are foam tape. I've also added some rhinestones and halfback pearls that I got at Walmart. They're less than $1 a piece. They have the small and the large. And yeah, I mean, this has been a really super affordable, and then of course tape runner and scissors and ribbon. So I have added some ribbon to do my tag portions with. So, and you could use white ribbon, you could use any color ribbon that you have. Green would be so pretty on this, period. It would be so pretty. So, alrighty. So I'm just going to put that, whoops, I should have centered that better. Let me see if it is going to let me pick it up. This foam adhesive it's great. I'm not going to say it's the best one I've ever used. No. But it is very affordable and it works just fine. So I am very happy with it. I buy them in 2 packs. So I have 2 massive rolls that are sent to me. I have the wide, and then I also do a thinner one. And honestly, because I ordered the thinner one because I've never used the wide, I don't think I'll ever order thin again unless I'm looking for ultra thin, which, that is a whole different beast. So, isn't she cute? She is so cute. Okay, now, I know, I wish I quit talking like that, sorry. I think I am going to use this on the inside. And let me see if there's anything else I want to put out here. I love this. I think I'm going to save that for the inside. I really just don't feel the need to add much at all to these. These are so beautiful in and of themselves. And what I may do on this one is just add some pearls. So I'm going to get my little Creative Memories, little bits and pieces here and get it to help me. Let's see. I think I'm just going to come down here and just add those. Okay. This is a fantastic tool. I have talked about it non-stop. For anybody who has fake nails, like I have the dipped nails. I mean, they're my nails. They're just, you know, thicker. And I like this color, so it has to go on thicker. And this little tool is fantastic. I love it. It has been the best thing ever. So whenever you add embellishments, always add them in threes. Put them where you like them. If that's not your thing, put them where you like them. It is no big deal to me. You guys, these, it's all in the eye of the person who's making the card, you know. So just enjoy your journey. Okay, let me scoot that out of the way. And now, let me get this pretty thing. I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to drop it down, maybe, and put it right there. Or, I haven't done one at the bottom, and I do love it from the side. I think, because I think I'm going to put that on the outside, and I think I'm going to put this, hold on. So even when you're trying to pick it up off the craft mat, that on the inside with one of my sentiments, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do Just For You. And I'm going to pop that up. Alrighty, and I've got a piece of foam tape here. I say it on every one of these. If you don't like that this is still sticky, then use your embossing powder. Use whatever you would like that will make you feel comfortable. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect how it turns out. I'm always really happy with how it turns out. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm going to adhere this down, and I'm going to keep this one pretty, and don't do what I'm doing. Don't do it on top of your card base. I'm just doing it because my card is trying to flip up. So don't do as I do. Do as I say. You know, that's what we tell all of our, you know, we tell our kids that, we tell our students that. You know. Let me demonstrate to you what you don't do. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty, and I think I'm going to build that up a little bit. I don't quite know how yet. There's the flower I want to use. Okay. Well, there we go. Let's see. Does that work? Nope. That is not what I want it to look like. So hold on just 1 second. I've got a couple of these. Let me see here. Alright, so I'm finished with that. I can put that away, and that'll give me some more space. I could do this, and it might just layer it up and have it more, stand out more, if that makes any sense. Because I really kind of like that, but I don't think that's enough. Let's see here. What if I did this one? I know I said I wasn't going to, but I just might. Nope, that's too much. I know. Golly, can't you get it together? I like that, but I don't. And I don't want that tag to show through. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do something like this and pop it up. Or something like that. Okay, that makes me happy right there. I know. What is that? We go through this, we try to decide, and then all of a sudden we do one thing, and you know, you just got to try it out. Find what floats your boat. Seriously. That just seems to be the way crafts work, you know. We just have to keep trying and trying and trying until we're happy. And that's okay. That is fun. That's what makes crafting fun. And it's just all about the layering, you know. Alright, I love that. And then I can come out here and write to the side. Super cute. Let me see one thing. Do I want to put that down there? Oh, yeah, I do. Yep, I think that's cute. It's not an exact match, but I think it is just so stinking cute. Let me see here. What if I put that up underneath it? I don't want the tag. Let me see. What if I cover that part up? Nope. Let's see here. I know. It's just all about the layering, isn't it? Goodness. I think I'm going to go with that. There we go. Okay. Now, let me get a little bit more tape back here. Cute. Alrighty. I know. This card, I'm going layering crazy. Alright. There we go. I love that. That is so stinking cute. Okay. And I really want some more green on the front of this, but I don't think I have any more green. Oh, I could put that little... Nope, I'm not going to do that. Okay. Okay, let's go with the envelope. Whoops, wrong thing. There's my envelope. I try to get all this ready for you guys. Sorry. Okay, gotta always make sure you know where your flap is. And then I think I am just a layering full here. Hold on. Okay, well, let me get this. There we go. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I mean, it is cute, it is easy, it is fun, and that's what I want it to be for you guys. So, just come and enjoy this, and just have, I mean, you know, seriously, just let it encourage you. Encourage you to have fun and do things and make things for your friends. And maybe you don't feel like, you know, you're an artist, but everybody's an artist in their own way. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to put that there. I just feel like I need something else on here. I'm not 100% here. Oh, I know what I'm going to... Maybe? Let me see. Oh, I know exactly. Hold on. Let me see if that'll look cute. There's a little heart here. I was looking at that little bitty... Sorry. Rose, but I don't think I'm going to use that. There is a little funky heart, a Wompy Jottle heart. And I love these. I think these are so sweet. Let me see. What if I put her right there? No, doesn't really pop up, does it? Let's see. What if we put it up here? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. What if we put it down here? No. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I think it needs to go up in that top right corner. Sometimes you get through these and you think, oh, it's so cute, and then you kind of look back and you think, oh, I need some more. I need to put something else on here. And probably as you look at this, you're going to say, no, it's fine. You know, you're adding too much. But sometimes it's when you're in person. Okay. Now, I love this. I don't think I'm going to need that. And I think I'm going to use this and this. And then I'm done. Golly. Such indecision. Alrighty. Oh, I love that. Isn't that cute? Okay, here we go. Let's start layering. Okay. Keep it simple. Don't, you know, do whatever that you like, whatever makes you happy. That's what these kits are all about. Add to it, don't add to it. You know, this is your kit. You do exactly how you want to do it. And you're making cards for people that you love. So, think about the recipient. Are they going to enjoy that? I don't know. You know, you never know. And sometimes we just make cards to put in our stash. And that's okay too. You know, that makes it fun too. So, alright. And I think since I put pearls on the other, I'm going to think about, do I want to put pearls on this? Now, if I were mailing this, I would never in a million years put this on the outside. You would need some serious glue. I mean, really. I'm just saying. So, alright. I think I am going to put this one on here. Let's see how that looks. Does that look okay? Yeah. And this one, whoops, no, I think I'm going to come down a size. And this one on here. And again, just using my Creative Memories tool, multi-purpose tool. Voila, I am done. That is so stinking cute. Okay, this one was a 14-minute card. Not bad. I kind of changed my mind on some of it, and I'm still not 100% sure about that heart. Let me see. I may move it. I don't know. Maybe it's stuck there. But that is so cute. That is so sweet. And then look at the inside, just for you. Okay, guys. These are the cutest card kits. I'm going to list it below so you guys can go take a look at these. I don't know if they still have these, but hopefully they'll have something. And, you know, you can find card kits like this at Tuesday Morning Michael's, Hobby Lobby, wherever you go. Or just look online, scrapbook.com, any of those. These are just too much fun. Another one is Sizzix, I think, or Spellbinders has a card series kit out. And I love those. Those are so much fun. I'm going to be bringing those in once a month, too, on the channel. Probably in September. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was the part 2 to this page, because you get 2 per page. Hold on. Here we go. And isn't that cute? Those are so stinking cute. I know. Alright, friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, why not? Let me ask you. Why not? Come on, join in. We'd love to have you. There are so many fun. We're doing a camp right now. There's so many. There's a Bible study or a devotional group on Monday nights. There's all kinds of things here. There's planner decorations. There's scrapbooking. There's all kinds of things. So come on back. There's got to be something here that you might enjoy. As well as I'm trying right now to do every Tuesday a Tuesday morning haul. And yeah. All right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. Y'all come on back. We're going to be doing the rest of our cards. I think I'm going to stop for tonight, and I'll be back next week when we get back from our trip. So, all right, friends. Again, I hope this encouraged you today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.